Welcome to this explainer. What if I told you that a single forgotten document just sitting in a shared folder could literally derail your next major compliance audit? Well, today we're looking at a fascinating yet completely overlooked vulnerability in modern enterprise networks. We're going to shine a spotlight on the hidden operational and compliance risks lurking inside outdated enterprise internet policies. Because, let's be real, if you think your network is secure just because you have a policy gathering dust somewhere, you're absolutely going to want to pay very close attention to this one. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the hidden operational risk, look at failing the compliance audit, cover the timeless policy controls, introduce the premium expert template, dive into the maturity accelerator, and finally, wrap up with a quick conclusion. Section 1. The hidden operational risk. When obsolete technology meets modern networks. Okay, let's dive into this. It's an operational reality that countless organizations face without even realizing it, right? You might spend heavily to build incredibly modern, lightning-fast networks, but then attempt to govern them with rules written a decade ago. So I really have to ask you directly, is your internet policy obsolete? It's a crucial question. Many IT and security teams mistakenly assume their current documentation covers them, but the technology moving underneath their feet tells a very, very different story. Think about it. We often see policies referencing legacy web proxies and obsolete browser configurations, and honestly, this is exactly where the vulnerability lives. But on the flip side, we have the modern reality, secure web gateways, or SWGs. The source documentation clearly highlights this specific operational risk. If your governing policy is still talking about old proxy settings instead of mandating modern secure web gateways, your digital perimeter is, well, it's fundamentally broken. Section 2. Failing the compliance audit. The auditor's trap. Now that we've identified that operational gap, what actually happens on audit day? This isn't just a minor IT headache. It translates into severe compliance consequences that can completely derail your certification efforts. When auditors evaluate the timeless operational planning and control clause, they're looking for specific implementation failures. And here is the exact non-conformance trap they'll document. Web filtering software is not configured to block high-risk categories. That single sentence catches countless organizations completely off guard. Now, what's really interesting about this is that auditors are explicitly checking to see if your web browsing parameters actively block high-risk categories. We're talking about things like malicious domains and peer-to-peer file sharing. If these categories are left unblocked just because your outdated policy never mandated modern filtering, you are practically guaranteed a non-conformance during your audit. It's an easily avoidable mistake, but it trips up even the most seasoned teams. Section 3. The timeless policy controls. Navigating the compliance framework. So how do we fix this without getting bogged down in ever-changing numerical clauses that, let's face it, just confuse things? Well, we rely entirely on the timeless terminology of the compliance framework. Let's walk through this carefully. Your internet policy absolutely must satisfy 3 precise controls. First, under the operational directive domain, you have operational planning and control. This ensures you actually have a formalized plan for network usage. Second, under asset governance, you must address the acceptable use of assets. And third, as a technical parameter, you must actively enforce web filtering. By framing your policies strictly around these timeless controls, your documentation remains perfectly resilient and fully compliant. Section 4. The Premium Expert Template, the blueprint for compliance. Understanding the framework is one thing, but actually writing a policy from scratch that satisfies all these controls, that's a massive drain on your time and resources. Enter a premium, done-for-you template designed to mitigate these exact risks seamlessly. This thing carries massive authority. It was meticulously crafted by the ISO 27001 Institute, operating under the aegis of the ISO Training Institute. We are literally talking about a professionally drawn blueprint built by a committee of information security industry experts, principal auditors, and lead instructors, all to guarantee you pass your audits. So, the crucial point is that this template is highly targeted and incredibly concise. It is exactly 5 pages long, that's it. It's a fully editable Microsoft Word document that's clear, user-friendly, and perfect for businesses of all sizes. It basically allows you to fortify your internet governance immediately without overwhelming your staff with dozens of pages of unreadable boilerplate text. Section 5. The Maturity Accelerator. Implementation in minutes. Having a premium document is only half the battle, right? Deploying it is the other. But implementation literally takes just a few minutes. Step 1. Securely download the document via email attachment. Step 2. Open the file and replace the hypothetical logo and the placeholder company name, ABC Technologies Private Limited. Step 3. Just replace the acronyms like ABCTPL with your own organization's name. And that is it. You simply swap out those hypothetical placeholders and your customized policy is ready for immediate deployment. And this brilliantly illustrates the ultimate payoff right here. It is practically a governance hack. By taking just a couple of minutes to customize this expertly prepared document, you're granting your organization an instant 15 to 20-year head start in ISMS maturity. I mean, you're immediately benefiting from 2.5 decades of auditing and compliance expertise injected directly into your organization's security posture. It really doesn't get more efficient than that. Section 6. Conclusion. Securing your digital perimeter. We've seen the hidden operational risks and the incredibly clear path to resolving them. You absolutely do not want to be caught on audit day with a policy that references obsolete web proxies instead of modern secure web gateways. That just results in a devastating non-conformance. But you can equip your organization with this premium, industry-leading documentation right now by visiting ISO 27001.institute. This asset is certainly designed to save you time, close those operational gaps, and ensure you easily satisfy those timeless compliance controls. So I'm going to leave you with this final, critical thought. Look at your current network documentation and ask yourself honestly, will your internet policy survive the next audit, or is it time for an expert upgrade? Head over to ISO 27001.institute to secure your digital perimeter today. Thanks for being such focused learners during this explainer, and we'll see you next time.